Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series, where we explore practical applications of operational excellence across industries. In this case, we examine California Closets, a company renowned for its custom storage solutions, as it faced increasing demand but struggled with operational bottlenecks. To overcome these challenges, California Closets adopted lean principles, focusing on process streamlining, waste elimination, and performance improvement. This strategic transformation not only enhanced efficiency, but also demonstrated how lean thinking, when combined with automation, can deliver measurable, sustainable results. This journey illustrates how even established brands can reinvent their operations for agility, growth, and customer satisfaction. California Closets excels in premium storage solutions, leading the industry with custom organizational systems. Renowned for high-quality materials and craftsmanship, they cater to the luxury home segment. Their manufacturing facilities span North America, with significant plants in Arizona and Michigan, ensuring efficient production and distribution. California Closets is a leader in custom storage solutions, renowned for high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Catering to the luxury home segment, they offer tailored solutions. With manufacturing facilities across North America, including key plants in Arizona and Michigan, they ensure premium service and product delivery. Despite record sales projections and an expanding customer base, California Closets faced operational challenges. Delivery delays and rising defect rates threatened customer satisfaction. The complexity of orders increased, leading to costly rework and incomplete installations. This operational strain risked undermining the brand's premium reputation, highlighting a paradox where success strained existing infrastructure. By mid-2021, California Closets' production facilities were visibly struggling. Despite financial success, operational breakdowns were evident. Delivery delays, rising defect rates, and incomplete orders highlighted the strain on infrastructure. These issues threatened the brand's premium reputation, necessitating urgent strategic decisions to address the operational inefficiencies and sustain growth. Faced with operational challenges, management considered two paths: investing in automation, which required high capital and time but promised increased throughput, or optimizing existing processes, which demanded lower investment and quicker implementation by focusing on waste elimination. The decision aimed at sustainable improvements and profitability. Pierre Nielsen, an experienced operations consultant, was engaged to thoroughly assess the Arizona and Michigan plants. His mission was to pinpoint the root causes of inefficiencies and evaluate if current resources could be optimized prior to automation. Nielsen aimed to create a practical roadmap for improvement, ensuring sustainable operational enhancements. Process flow issues stem from inefficient layouts and work sequencing, causing bottlenecks. Quality control gaps arise from inconsistent inspection practices, leading to defects. Inventory management suffers due to poor organization, resulting in parts shortages and misplaced components. Worker engagement is limited, with minimal employee involvement in problem-solving and improvement initiatives. The lean solution approach emphasizes lean manufacturing principles as an alternative to automation. Implementing 5S, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, creates organized, efficient workspaces. A3 problem-solving provides a structured method to identify problems, analyze root causes, and implement countermeasures. Value stream mapping visualizes material and information flow to identify waste and improvement opportunities. The implementation journey began with a pilot program at the Arizona plant, showcasing lean principles. Next, cross-functional teams were trained to identify and solve issues. Full deployment followed, integrating daily management systems. Finally, continuous improvement was ensured through Kaizen events and regular audits, fostering ongoing optimization. The transformation yielded a 30% defect reduction, enhancing quality via standardized processes and inline checks. Lead times improved by 25% due to streamlined workflows. Space utilization increased by 40% through 5S implementation. Employee engagement soared to 85%, with heightened participation in improvement activities and problem-solving initiatives. The visual transformation of the production environment signifies profound shifts in operational discipline and organizational culture. Standardized processes and inline quality checks have led to significant quality improvements. Streamlined workflows have reduced lead times, while 5S, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, implementation has optimized space utilization. Employee engagement has soared, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and problem-solving. Product development faces new challenges with extended design cycles and a disconnect between design and manufacturing capabilities. Limited standardization across custom offerings highlights the need to extend lean thinking into non-production processes. Addressing these bottlenecks is crucial for aligning research and development with operational excellence. Operational excellence hinges on 5 key lessons: fostering a problem-solving mindset, employing lean tools, ensuring leadership commitment, establishing clear metrics, and maintaining continuous improvement. California Closets exemplifies this by optimizing resources before automation, highlighting the importance of foundational efficiency in operations management. For more operations management case studies and learning resources, contact Skilled Master of Business Administration. Reach us at +91 87553 0795 or supportskilledmba.com. Visit our website at https://skilledmba.com.